Henry Ford is one of my favorite quotes of all time. And such a brilliant quote. And it's so deep. Like, you guys should really write that down and put it on your wall. If you think you can or can't, either way, you're right. That's what's so crazy about all of this stuff. It's a crazy thing about life, not just about sync licensing. If you think you're worthwhile, if you think you got talent to give, if you think that you have something awesome to present to this industry and to this world, you're right. If you don't think you do, if you think you're a waste of time, if you think you don't have what it takes, if you think that you are, going down this horrible, maybe a monstrous waste of time, and you're going to just not do well, you're also right. That's what's kind of scary about this as well. It's all up to you. You have a lot more power than you realize. I think people need to realize how much power they really have in life. I think a lot of us always tend to want to give it up to other people. Like, well, that library didn't give me an acceptance letter. Well, this person flaked out on me and that person screwed me over. So because all these things are happening to me, I'm just a victim and nothing works out for me. You will lose 100%. Doesn't matter, because that's you thinking that you can't do things. That's you thinking that things are just happening to you and you have no power. If you hold on to that stuff, you will be at the bottom. There's no other way for you to go. You will just drown. You're just going to go downhill from there. So hopefully you guys don't. I don't think you guys do. I think if you guys are here and you guys have been following what I do for a while, I'm probably preaching to the choir here. You guys probably do practice some sort of positive thinking, hopefully. And if not, go check out the Sync Psych series in Sync Academy. If you're a Sync Academy member, get it. Go check it out. That's the kind of stuff, like I said, the technical stuff, researching libraries, this stuff's easy, guys. I mean, I know it might seem tough. Believe it or not, that's the easy part. The tough part is making sure your mind is right for this stuff to really work out for you, okay?